Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're out in the warehouse and we are going to be talking about a Caretaker pop-up head. In case you didn't notice, it is winter in Arizona, so I am bundled up head to toe because it dipped below 70 yesterday. So disregard all the beanie and everything, but we were talking about part number 39508. This is the Caretaker bright white pop-up head. If you're wondering if this is the right one for your pool, because there is a bright white and a cream, this is the cream. So there's a pretty big difference there between those. This one definitely has a lot more tan to it. This is very, very white. That's why they call it bright white. You also have to purchase a nozzle separately for these. So there's 7 different nozzle sizes, all available on ePoolSupply.com. They pop in there. Once they are in though, you're not getting them back out. So make sure you pick the right nozzle. This is the bright white head. We've got lots of them in stock here for you guys. 2710 West Bell Road or ePoolSupply.com. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.